All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. We're going to do a Q&A, so just ask me any type of finance question. I'll do my best to try to answer it. And yep, that's what we're going to do today. And I'll probably play like 2 games, maybe 3. We'll see. Doo-doo-doo-doo. All right, and the markets today, actually surprisingly, crypto held up pretty good. So that's actually it actually did more than hold up. It actually went up in price. I think it's at 84,000 right now. So very promising for the crypto market. And again, the reason for crypto was to fight against inflation. So it's actually doing what it set out to do. Usually it just follows what the stock market does, but now it's actually holding against inflation, which is really nice, right? Because that affects the other altcoins, and it basically sets the tone for the market, the crypto market. Now, stocks, on the other hand, I saw Dell go all the way to $70, which I'm actually hoping that the stock market continues to crash while the um, while the while the crypto market goes up, right? Because then maybe once we were able to cash out of crypto, maybe there's going to be some nice buying opportunities in the stock market. Hopefully, right? But we'll see. I think the next couple months, April and May, we'll see where prices do. We'll see what happens with these tariffs. Uh, And yeah, it should be an interesting 2 months. All right, let me do this. Let me look at the price really quick. Yeah, BTC is like right around that 84K mark. It's at 83.90 948. So that's really good. I mean, when the news came out, it was at 82, and a lot of people thought today we were going to just see a whole bunch, which we did. We saw an additional 10%, 15% crash in the stock market, but we didn't get that in crypto, which again is great for crypto investors. All right. If I take, he has me there. All right, let's go. Oh, it's a free pawn for him, though. We could do that. That's fine. Maybe I bring this bishop out. Bring this bishop. All right. Let's see. I wonder what country he's from. I don't know that flag. Did I give up a free pawn? I did. All right. But what I'm going to do here is do that. Um, think I'm still gonna go ahead and take this horse and then get a free pawn after I take it. That's what I'm thinking. All right, so let's do that. Yeah, he's doing that too, because he's trying to move that down. Um, I didn't want to move my pawn up because it would have, he would have taken it with his queen. Should be good. Mm, Probably gonna come down with the pawn. E4, maybe. E4. Okay, he took that. No surprise there. Now he's probably gonna come down with the pawn, I think. He's really down on time, so all I have to do is just make sure I don't. All right, so he can go here. Goes there. Mm, yeah, that's not good. All right. He'll go back. But yeah, I mean, oh, he's trying to go for the checkmate. Let's see what he's trying to do there. But it's not gonna work, buddy. Always protect your king. Always protect your king. He's really trying to. Um, so let's see what he's trying to do there. So if he goes there. All right. I don't want to lose that. And I'm cool with losing the pawn. That's fine. Darn it. Darn it. He got me. I can't believe I fell for that. I can't believe I fell for that. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, Oscar, the markets fell today, or the stock market, but the crypto market's doing pretty good. He declined me. I can't believe I lost to this guy. This is nuts. Yeah, man. So, I mean, I'm not sure what stocks you're looking at, but Dell fell to 73 bucks. I'm not sure where. Let's see where Nvidia's at. Oh, this I can't believe I lost that game. That's really frustrating. 94. Holy crap. Nvidia's down. $94. That's a lot. So I definitely think, man, if you guys have your list of favorite assets, this is probably the time to probably start shopping around, right? Because, I mean, the market looks crazy. But again, the crypto market, if you look at Bitcoin, actually, Bitcoin went up today. I was saying it earlier. I don't think you were on, but Bitcoin went up. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I lost that game. That is like I was like I didn't have to do much and he literally planned it all out. That's ridiculous. All right, whatever. Yeah, so let's see where Tesla's at. So wow, Nvidia's under 1200. That's crazy. Dang. So Tesla is at 240. 240. All right. Let's see. There's too much going on here. All right, let me get that. perfect. All right, I think this will be my last game. It looks like I have this under control. That last game really pissed me off. I literally was up like 3 minutes in time. I could have just waited and analyzed the board, and then I just did something stupid. I saw an article about about it's smart to go all in when the S&P 500 is at 48 to 5,000 points. Where is it at now? Um, S&P 500. So it's at 5,000 right now. Um, yeah, I mean, if I'm looking at the S&P right now, I already took a huge dip. Honestly, I mean, I've been saying it before. Like, I mean, if you look at my past live streams, I was talking about how the Nvidia chart is just so overextended. And I mean, if you look at it now, it's correcting. So I honestly think Nvidia at 70, 80 bucks, maybe the S&P will be around 5,000 at that point, but I honestly think right now Nvidia is a really good buy. Obviously, it's not financial advice. I'm not buying Nvidia, but I think, those type of blue chip stocks, you can't really go wrong, specifically with like AI and Nvidia and everything they're promising in the future is just going to be I think it's going to be a $10 trillion company. But I mean, we're going to have to suffer some pain for a little bit here, unfortunately. Okay, let's do this. That's fine. But who wrote that article? I'm not sure. I haven't heard about going all in at 5,000. I mean, S&P overall. If you're talking about going all in into the S&P, that wouldn't be. I mean, to be honest, if you have high conviction on certain plays, I'm not opposed to going all in because, like, I think that's how you make most of your money. But it can't be like a penny stock or something like that because that's how you lose all your money. All right, what is this guy doing here? Okay, this is fine. Yeah, if I go there, I'm going to trap my rook. Yeah, he's going to go there. Uh-huh. Yeah, but going all in, I mean, it just depends on what you're trying to invest in. Going all in the S&P, obviously it's safe, but if you go all in on an individual stock, you definitely need to be certain that that stock is going to do what you want to do. All right, so that's that right there. All right. Yeah, he wants to take this so bad. That's fine. He's definitely trying to set the tone. Tariffs going crazy. Who also these days? Yeah, man. He just came out with the announcement yesterday, or was it 2 days ago? No, I think it was yesterday. He came out with the tariff announcement. So basically, and also China came back with the reciprocal tariffs. They said they're going to charge us 34%. So we're already seeing countries coming back and giving us reciprocal tariffs. So this is exactly what we thought was going to happen. Basically a trade war, right? And who knows? I mean, honestly, like I said, I didn't. We knew countries weren't just going to be like, okay, you're going to tax us, 34% more, and we're just going to sit there and not do anything, right? That wasn't going to happen. So now we're going to be in a trade war. And again, most people think, we're doing the new administration is doing this to get to free trade, right? Get to a point where we don't have tariffs and we just free trade with people or do like certain contracts one on one. But I'm not sure if that's going to work out, right? But yeah, tariffs is the reason why the market is down. And yeah, but the what is so exciting is to see Bitcoin finally, because Bitcoin was created to hedge against inflation. So for the longest, whatever the stock market did, crypto just moved with it, right? So now we're seeing BTC hold up, which again, a year after the halving, it typically goes parabolic. So that's very good news for crypto investors. I'm very excited to see BTC hold up. Yeah, how the trade war is going to end is the question. 100% tariffs everywhere. Yeah, yeah, is the question. How is it going to end? That is the question. All right, what is this guy trying to do here? Should I just move him up? Then he's gonna go. If I move there, then he's gonna do that, and I don't want him to do that. Okay. Darn it. I did not want to do that. I did not want to do that. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So if I move there, okay, I could do this. Should be fine. There we go. All right, so that worked out. He doesn't want to take. I don't want to take either. This dude's playing pretty smart here. Uh, Darn it. Like, what the heck? Um, gonna have to move my king up, man. These people are ridiculous. I'm gonna have to get my king out of here. Get out of here, man. This dude's trying to take my pawn. Ridiculous. Um, Darn it. He got me with that. Again, not paying attention. And he's going to take my thing. Both of them. I don't even think I can, I don't even think I could take. Yeah, I gotta like play it safe. Terrible chess I'm playing right now. Terrible. I gotta read my book so I could get smarter. Oh, what a fool that I am. All right, I'm gonna resign. All right, that's it. But yeah, so yeah, man, the tariffs are going crazy. Honestly, I think we're getting through the most of it, the worst of it. I think April is going to be a month where we just get all the tariff stuff out the way, and then we continue to move up as far as the markets go. But I mean, Bitcoin and crypto are looking pretty good. But again, man, this is an opportunity for people to get their stocks. I mean, the charts look great. I mean, Nvidia under $100, Dell at 70. I wonder where Intel's at. Intel, Intel at close to $20, and that's because they got a new CEO. So it's actually looking bright for Intel. But if this whole AI thing plays out, Intel, Dell, they're going to shoot up after this crash, right? So, yep. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.